Is AirDrop missing from your iPhone's control content or settings? This can be inconvenient, especially when you need to quickly share files with other Apple devices. This guide will walk you through steps to bring back the AirDrop option on your iPhone. Let's get started. Before you start, make sure that your iPhone has more than 20% battery life. Otherwise, the system won't be able to AirDrop anything. Solution 1. Enable AirDrop from Settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap General, scroll down, select AirDrop. Choose Everyone for 10 minutes to make AirDrop visible and available to all nearby Apple devices. Check if AirDrop now appears in Control Center or Settings. Solution 2. Check Restrictions. Open Settings, scroll down, go to Screen Time, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If Content and Privacy Restrictions are enabled, tap Allowed Apps. Make sure AirDrop is toggled on. If it's off, AirDrop won't appear on your device. Solution 3. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Open Settings and ensure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are both enabled. AirDrop requires both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to work, so they need to be on for AirDrop to appear. After enabling Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, check if AirDrop appears in Control Center from Control Center. Solution 4. Update iOS. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap General, then select Software Update. If an update is available, update your iPhone. After updating, check if AirDrop is visible on your device. Solution 5. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap General, scroll down, select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. Confirm by entering your passcode. This will reset all network settings, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. After the reset, check if AirDrop is now showing on your iPhone. By following these steps, you should be able to get AirDrop to reappear on your iPhone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.